Hello viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this series we are covering the automation, and I'm letting you know that as to how you can integrate the automation tool, that is Ansible, and how you can run it in the GNS3. So this is a highly demandable series actually, or the automation is in high demand. So and the network engineers are also struggling with this because there is only one tool in GNS3, and in that there are a lot of confusion even in the with the first time when I was starting this series and I was learning this. So I had to encounter a lot of issues in this. So just to help the network engineers so that they should not go through all the troubles and the pains that I have gone through. So created the video. In my previous video, I'd shown you how to integrate, how to download the network automation, how you can integrate it with this GNS3. So now the setup is already there. In the previous video, I'd already shown you that how to configure an IP address for this and how the netted IP address to be assigned to this. If you've not seen that, I would highly recommend that you should go there and see it. Now in this video, let me show you this automation tool has got this. So here I can show you the Ansible is version is the Ansible is already installed 2.9. Okay, so you can very well use the Ansible commands here. And here if I show you the router side, so let me do one thing. Okay, go to here, check which IP it has got. This has got the IP 211. Okay, so once I get 211, so this means the next should be 2012. 212. I have to give. So give me 1 second. Let me do this. Before. So the other end, which is F0.0, you have to give 212 there. So let me do one thing. Let me do this. Let me change it because this one I had already provided in the previous sections and the lectures that I was delivering. So let me change it to 212, which is the other end. So 122 and 212. So this one. So once I do this IP, I can see this is not able to clear it. This is not able to ping 212. Sorry, back. Okay, 212. I'm not able to ping. I show you here also. 212 here. Not able to ping it. So now what I'll do, I'll configure it in the F0 by 0 interface of my router. So let me do this. Okay, here let me show you show IP interface, and here F0.0 hasn't got any IP, so go to conti and then this interface inside, give it the IP address of this one, that's 212/24. So slash will not work here, so we'll have to go like this, 24.0. No shutdown. So once you do it no shutdown, you would see that it has started. Let's see, the interface is up. Now if the interface is up, then what we'll have to do is to let me close it, and the status come up to show IP interface brief, and you would see this is up. So here let me do one thing, let me exit it, create one username. So the user name I can see is, let me create a username Devraj. Okay, and the password is Cisco. This is the clear password. Let me do it Devraj only. This is just to show you. In fact, it's not recommended to use the clean pass. I mean, the clear password in the routers. This we network engineers all know. So, but this is only for the testing purpose. So I'll do. And let me give this username Devraj, a privilege of 15. So this I've already done, and for that, now what I'll have to do is to create a domain name for this. So let me do IP domain name devraj.com. Let's just for this, and then you need to add the crypto key from here. And but before that, do one thing: line bty, because SSH will have to give 04, and transport input, make it all, and usually it's SSH, but I'm making it all. And here the login should be local. So login local. Again, let me exit it and go to the config. And here, let me create the RSA key. So that's crypto key generate RSA. So let us generate for 1024 because this is recommended. So now it's already there. We have a username. So let me go back here and then clear it. So now let me SSH this, since we are able to ping the IP. The another and actually, let me clear it. So let me see the another and IP that I had already shown you here. So I'm able to ping this again to show you that this is I'm able to ping. That means this is working fine now. This is pinging google.com, right? And this is also working fine. Let me clear it. The crypto key is already installed there, and let me now log into this device. Yes, and then you would see that. Let me get the password, and here, sure. So this is how you can do. So you can use this window as an Ansible controller, and then use the commands, because the commands would automatically now run with the help of the SSH, because we know that Ansible is an agentless tool, and that's why it's in demand. So there isn't any agent required to put in all the other end devices, but Ansible can very well do a lot of things and help you automating your environment. So that's it in this video, and I would now wish you a happy learning for Ansible, and you can very well use the Ansible with the help of this project also. So do comment in case you find any issues or any uh, hurdle in between, and I'll be very much more than happy to help you out with this. So thank you very much, viewers, for viewing, and take good care of yourself. I'll see you in other videos.